Good game for us. Actually, bad start. Coach Sheng really get into the whole team, especially when we called our first couple of timeouts. Started out flat and really giving up easy points to a tough opponent like such as Rain or Shine. Nagalit siya kasi there's a lot of resemblance when it comes to our system. So, dapat alam namin kung ano yung tinatakbo nila. Pero, we were slacking off, I guess, during the start. That's why, at halftime, medyo nagalit si Coach Sam dito sa dugout. So, it kind of woke us up. And then, we started off very well in the third quarter, leading to a timeout, early kagad against Rain or Shine. So, that was a big part of our run. Again, we had 28 assists as a whole team, so the trend continues as long as we continue to move the ball. Chances of winning for us is really high.
Before pati ni Coach, parang feeling siya, hindi rin niya makakalain na number 1.
Well, siguro, actually kami din naman, to be honest. Kasi we all started with short-term goals. During the start of the conference, we had 3 straight games. We started off with Phoenix, Blackwater, then Hidalgo, and then we had that Dubai trip. So our short-term goal was to go to Dubai with a hopefully 3-0 record, which we were able to accomplish. And then sa Dubai, sabi namin, let's just try to get 1 out of the 2. Bigyan ng kalaban namin sa Dubai, tapos back-to-back pa. And blessing in disguise na comeback win kami against Ginebra. Tapos slowly but surely, the confidence started to creep into us na let's continue to win one. Then eventually, this is our 4th straight win. So it's been a tough road for this franchise, ironically, with NLEX. So swerte lang na healthy na ngayon lahat. Then we have one great import then as well in our system. So fortunate enough to be that way. Now this lengthy break will hopefully help us rather than hurt us. Kasi the momentum, hopefully we carry it on. Pagdating ng game natin sa November 9.
Sabi mo nga, itong break, hopefully ma-take advantage. Pero could be...
Yeah, yun nga. So, we still have to be on our toes. It's a break, but it's not really a vacation that we should take for granted. It's a time for us to spend time with our families, our loved ones, or our lost loved ones. And at the same time, a time for us to recover our bodies and stay on our toes. Come November 9, it's just going to be harder and harder for us. Kasi, once you're at the top, everybody's going at you. And, we have to stay healthy. We can't, again, take it for granted pagdating lalo na sa conditioning namin. Kasi ayaw naman namin na ito lang yung peak namin. We can't be complacent knowing that we're already in the quarterfinals. Diba? So, can't be complacent with that. That was, lang yun, part lang yun ng goal namin. Pero ang goal talaga namin is to make it to the finals and try to win for a championship. So, can't be contented with the quarterfinals goal.